All right, if you're here, it's to learn how to use the EbscoHost database. So before we get into that, I'm just going to remind you how to get to the Media Center webpage. So you should be on Schoology, you click Groups, and then you click Glen Rock High School Media Center, and then you have to just click the link that says click here, and here we are. All right, you click Online Resources, and this is just a reminder that if you're using these databases or any of these online resources from home, you may be asked to log in. So here are both the username and the password right there. All right, so we click on multi-source databases, and I know I'm throwing around the word database a lot. A database is just an organized collection of information that can be easily accessed and updated. All right, so we're doing EbscoHost database, but you can really do any of them. And it's asking me to log in. All right, click EbscoHost Web right up here at the top. And save yourself some time and some scrolling and just select all. Right, and then you're brought to the search page. So here you just type in your keywords just like you would in any search engine. So I'm just going to do social media, all right, and I want to focus it a little more. I want to do social media and teens. Okay, before you click search, you can also narrow down, limit your results to full text. If you click full text, then you'll avoid some dead ends that you might reach if you click an article and realize that you have to pay $24.99 a month if you want to access that article. All right, let's just avoid that entirely and make sure all of our results are full text. Right, and also click scholarly peer-reviewed journals. This will ensure that your articles have been read and reviewed by peers. All right, and I'll show you a couple of other ways to limit the search when we get to the results. So here are our results. We have 354, all right, not bad. Now, if you're researching something like social media or whatever you're researching, you want to make sure you keep the publication date in mind. That's over here on the left-hand side. I don't think you want to read an article about social media written in 1975. All right, so we're going to change that date and, use your judgment. I feel like for social media, let's do 10 years, 2009. Okay, you can limit it even more if you go down and you click subject. All right, it will have some keywords that you might want to focus on for your article. So then you just click one of the articles. We'll just do this one, teen videos on YouTube. All right, so sometimes when you get to this page over on the left-hand side over here, you'll have some options. You might be able to look at it as HTML text. You might be able to download it as a PDF. All right, for this particular article, the availability, look at the availability. You have full text from Eric, so you have to click this link here and it would bring you to the article. Before you even read the article, you might want to check out the abstract. The abstract is basically a summary explaining the purpose of the article and the contents of the article. So you want to read that before you begin actually reading the article to make sure that it's applicable to your research. And you'll find a lot of information here, the number of pages and where it was published, et cetera, et cetera. A couple of other things you can do on EBSCO, you can download the articles to Google Drive. That way you don't have to keep searching for the article and you don't lose it. Or you can also cite the article here if you just click Cite. And then, of course, you want to scroll down to MLA, and it will automatically be MLA 8. So what you can do is just highlight it and copy it. And that is the EBScoHost database.